Hello everyone, welcome to HTO again. Today we're gonna show you how to open a affiliate ID in Cpagrip. So you can make money from Cpagrip by doing affiliate marketing or working with the offer. To open affiliate ID in Cpagrip, you need a valid email address and a Skype ID. So let's start to making a Cpagrip ID. First of all, you need to put your valid name which is in your ID or in your passport. It is mandatory to put your valid name as same as your passport or identification in your country. Sometimes maybe you can face some problem with your ID, so if you use your valid name as like your identification card or passport, it will help you to get reduced from the problem with the ID, affiliate ID. So let's start by putting name. Okay, then you need to put your valid email address in this box, and now set password. For your safety, please put the password with capital, small, symbolic and number. Retype the password. Type your password carefully and remember it. Then choose the time zone from where you are opening this ID. Okay, there is an option called company and website. If you have your company or website, then you can put, otherwise you can skip. I'm skipping these two options. Now put your street address and select your country. State, region, zip code, and put your valid phone number. Okay, now I told you before, to opening Cpagrip ID you need a valid email address and a Skype ID. Look, and it's mandatory to put your Skype username on Cpagrip account. I'm copying the Skype username from here, then put it. Give tick mark, then registered. Now there is a captcha you need to fill up, and finally our Cpagrip ID is done. There is our affiliate ID. We need to do a bit of work. We need to verify the Cpagrip ID from our mail. Look, they sent a mail in my inbox. I just click and open my email they sent. Okay, complete the verification of Cpagrip ID by clicking this link they send you in your email. Okay, we complete the successfully our verification. Now we are done to use Cpagrip ID as an affiliate partner of Cpagrip, so we can make money from Cpagrip. So cheer up, hit the subscribe button. If you need any information, leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.